In panel B, we'll now replicate everything we've done in panel A except for bundle C. In other words, we'll keep the initial indifference curve exactly the same as before, the initial blue budget the same as before, and since the initial indifference curve has the same shape, the substitution effect from A to B will be the same as before. This also implies that translating A and B to the lower graph will be no different than it has been in panel A. But now, instead of placing bundle C, the optimal bundle on the magenta constraint, to the right of bundle B, we're going to place it in between A and B. In other words, we're going to assume that the good X is a regular inferior good. Since it still occurs on the shallower magenta budget, which has the same slope as the green compensated budget, it'll occur at the same height in the lower panel. But again, instead of being to the right of bundle B, it'll now be between A and B. And the reason that it's between A and B is of course that now the income effect points in the opposite direction from the substitution effect, partially undoing the substitution effect as it does for a regular inferior good. Since the consumer moves from bundle A to bundle C as the price increases, it is these two bundles that we'll again use to estimate the own price demand curve for good X. Bundle B is still a hypothetical point. It's simply used to decompose the overall change in behavior into the income and substitution effect. But now, since we've kept the substitution effect the same size, but bundle C lies to the left of bundle B, we'll get a steeper own price demand curve than we did before.